This is not an ordinary junkyard. This is a place where time stands still. And today, hidden among rust and dust, we discovered something extraordinary. A car that once ruled the roads with silence and power. A forgotten royal legend. Rolls-Royce.
Years of neglect, rain and rust had taken their toll. The body was broken, the engine lifeless, and the luxury inside almost gone. Many believed this car had reached the end. But the real question is, can a true legend ever die?
Rolls-Royce was never just a car. It was a symbol of status, prestige, and unmatched elegance. Kings, presidents, and the world's elite once traveled in absolute silence within these walls. And now, that greatness was buried in scrap. We stood there in silence, looking at what remained. And then the decision was made. This story would not end here. We would bring this Rolls-Royce back, not just to life, but back to its rightful throne. The heart of a Rolls-Royce has always been its quiet power. Every bolt was removed, every damaged part restored or replaced. Slowly, carefully, the heart began to breathe again. Rust had scarred its royal body. Time had been cruel. But with patience, skill, and precision, every wound was healed, metal reshaped, strength restored. The legend was taking form once more. A Rolls-Royce demands perfection. No ordinary color would do. Layer by layer, a classic royal finish was applied. And suddenly, the car didn't just shine. It commanded respect. Inside is where Rolls-Royce truly lives. Hand-stitched leather. Polished wood, absolute silence. Luxury wasn't added, it was reborn. This was the moment everything depended on. One key, one turn, and then the engine came alive, smooth, silent, powerful. The Rolls-Royce had returned. This is no longer scrap. This is proof that true greatness never fades. It only waits to be rediscovered. From junkyard to royal masterpiece, this is the unbelievable resurrection of a Rolls-Royce legend.